Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. We are making our final 2 loaves of my special order for a baby shower. This one at least isn't just solid pink. She wants white with the baby pink swirl. So that is what we are gonna do. Let me get my glove on here. And take this out. This is my Hathor recipe, so my yogurt and my heavy cream are in this bucket. And I went ahead and mixed my TD into my lye water because the base is going to be white and I need the white for the baby pink anyway. So I'm going to add that first. The lye water is just distilled water, sodium hydroxide, salt, sugar, and TD. So let's put this in here. Try to get as much of that TD out of there as possible. And then we'll get this to emulsification. And we'll go from there. Oh, and this one is scented in peppermint. So, alright, let's go. There we go. Let's get this cleaned off. How are y'all today? It has been a rough one for me. I got 2 hours of sleep. So I'm running on empty. And I said, you know what? I gotta get this done. It needs to be done. That way I can, get this soap a curing. I mean, granted, the baby shower is not till November, but, it's better to be, early than late. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put Judy, well, I need to keep Judy over here. I'm going to put some batter in here so I can, sorry, my arm's going to be in the way, so I can do my pink. That's probably too much. Okay. I know that made a big difference, right? And then I'm going to empty the rest of it into here so it's easier to handle for me. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Okay, maybe we are going to put some more in there. Yeah, the woman that ordered this soap, it's for her daughter's baby shower. And because it's in November, she wanted, the apple cinnamon for a fall scent and, peppermint for a winter scent because, obviously November is right before December. I'm so smart today. Wow, let's not fall over, Sulin. That would be bad. Okay, so I'm still using my watermelon pink, but I'm obviously not going to use as much as I did with the whole batch. So I think I'm going to start with 1 teaspoon and see what that gets us. I am going to stick blend the fragrance because the fragrance does slow down trace. Ooh. So let me stick blend this fragrance in. Yeah, 1 teaspoon did it, guys. That's baby pink. Let me put this over here now. Look at all these bubbles. It makes me so mad. Judy is definitely dying on me. You might start seeing Martin after this soap. The only time it really happens is when, the blade doesn't rotate properly. And I'm pretty hard on stick blenders. I mean, if you've been with me for a while, we've been through quite a few stick blenders. I'm going to have to really bang these molds. Sorry, I know I'm stirring, but I'm trying to get these bubbles down. Because like with this one, I definitely can't like just pound it on the table. Okay. Let me move all this stuff. Let me get my washcloth here. Oh, I better put that cap back on too. So, oh, where's my molds? Oh, there they are. Ta-da! Make sure all the alcohol is out of them. It is not. Okay. So, since we're doing it this way, I guess I can take the spatulas out. For right now, anyway. Okay. So, let me put you down just a little bit. Bring it in closer. This is gonna kind of look like a Christmas soap, I think. I gotta make some red soap dough for Ava and I to do our Christmas donuts. She's very excited about that project. Zayden is too, because he likes to play with soap dough. Okay, and our pink. And move this over so y'all can see. I'm gonna put a little bit of it on top. She still wants the same kind of top with this, but you know, I don't know if it's gonna, I just don't know if it's gonna make it like, you know, because when you do the top like that, if it's just gonna turn into this lighter pink if I don't use it all. I guess we'll see, right? Because there's going to be pink on top anyway. Yeah, there's going to be pink on top anyway, so I might as well just add that pink to the top of it. Let me get this scraped out. It's this one that needs more. Okay. Ta-da! Ta-da! I'm debating on whether or not to post my body wash experiment next week. I think I will. I might just do it on Tuesday. And then make bath salts with you guys next Friday, because I got to get those done before the Christmas season, because those sell really well in the Christmas season. So I think I'll just do that on a Tuesday. It's not going to be as long as our last liquid soap, but I'm definitely experimenting because I haven't perfected the recipe yet. But I get asked for liquid soap or like shower gel or whatever you want to call it. I get asked for that all the time. And I may have mentioned this already, making these videos. I don't know. The days have been crazy. I've been helping my dad. Hold on, I gotta bang these. Ah, there we go. I've been helping my dad clean up his house. I won't go into what happened because it's just terrible. You wouldn't believe what a grandchild can do to a grandparent when they actually are generous enough to let you live in their house. But Dad and I are selling it, so, but I've been helping him try to get it cleaned up. I'm gonna go grab my board so I can have this there, and I'll bring you back for when I do the top. Okay? Okay. Let's get these tops done. Oh, it might not be set up enough. I even did all my dishes, y'all. Wow. Anyway. I might have to wait a few more, anyway. So far, the pictures I've sent of the other loaves, she's liked them, so. And guess what? Lauren and I decided we're going to carry one more scent and lotion, which is my second favorite. We're going to carry Sweet Child of Mine, which is the Camu Camu, which I also need to make that soap, by the way. Also, before our winter things, shows. Yeah, that's the word. Yeah, I gotta make a whole bunch of stuff before our winter shows. The only thing new for Christmas, because, you know, I told you guys in a video a while back that I don't have to make actual Christmas soap, because when Amanda finally returned my inventory to me, the boxes that I packed for her with the Halloween, fall, and Christmas soaps had not been touched. Like, literally, she did not put any of it on a table at our shows that she did. She couldn't have, with the way the boxes were packed still. I mean, they were exactly the way that I gave them to her. So I don't technically need to make, I might need to make Save a Prayer. I have to check my inventory, because like with my solstice soaps, I only bring them out, you know, certain times of the year, unless they are requested at a show. And in that case, I'll either open up, you know, because I can hide things on my website, or if they're going to be there the next week, I'll bring it. I have a lot of that. I have a lot of requests, and I'll be like, are you going to be here next week? And so, are you going to bring it? I say, yep. So, I need to make some more amber and sandalwood too. That's called In Your Eyes. In Your Eyes. Yeah, I love Peter Gabriel. Okay, I think that's good enough. I mean, it's rustic looking, right? Y'all would agree? You know, my alcohol box, I measured up all the stuff for my lotion, and I have shea butter all over my alcohol bottle. Oh, it's on that part too. I love shea butter, but geez. Alrighty, there we go, guys. I know they were simple soaps and whatnot, but I thought, you know, I never bring you guys along for special orders, and I should start doing that, because I do quite a few of them. So, alright guys, I will see you probably Tuesday I'll post the first experiment with shower gel there. And yeah, so probably Tuesday. I mean, I might as well post it. I made it. So, alright guys. Thanks for sticking with me as always. I will see you in 18 to 24 hours to cut this. Bye. The last of our special order soaps. A nice end piece. I always give the customer the end pieces, you know, because these are being given away as, you know, party gifts at a baby shower. So, you know, in case they end up not getting a piece themselves, then they have at least those end pieces. Oh, I forgot to show you the other side of that. I'm used to the whole just pink thing. Oh my goodness, Sulene, get it together. This one's still sticky, and I'm really surprised that it's still sticky. I'm gonna have to, I was gonna bring them all upstairs and plane and bubble them today, but that's not gonna happen. Oh, they did it again. See, it's because I just finished cutting, you know, last week's and the week before soap, so forgive me if I just pull it away. I like the tiny swirl in that. I think there's more of a swirl in the other one. Oh, that was only 2. Okay. We got it. And I think the pinks turned out very, very well. They're very close. Of course, the apple cinnamon is just a touch darker, but not by much. And that's because there's a slight vanillin content in that one. Oh, look, there's a heart. And these smell good too. My peppermint is fantastic. Well, not my, I mean peppermint in general is fantastic. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm trying to count. When I was doing the other 2 loaves without you guys, you know, after I turned the camera off, I was just like boop, boop, boop. There's 6. And I didn't even show you that, did I? I'm sorry. 7. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. 8. 9. 9, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yep. I'm gonna have a nice big end piece off of this one. And 10. Which I'm gonna have to cut this end piece in half. There we go. I'm just gonna cut a few pieces from the other loaf because I think the other loaf, I'm gonna get another piece of paper towel. I think the other loaf has more pink in it because there's definitely more pink on the top. So let's see if there's anything much different. If not, then I'll just cut it off camera. So first piece. 1. Oh yeah, it's not much different. Sorry, I'm moving stuff around on this tray so I can get everything on there. Let me just do one more piece for you. Yeah, I think I did a pretty good job at keeping them pretty much the same. That's awesome. All right, guys. I appreciate you watching my little special order there. And I will see you guys next week. Bye-bye.